made it to Augusta!
We finally made it! Finally!
We're about to surprise someone.
Yeah, we're about to surprise Carson. How far are we from his house?
Less than 5.
Oh, 5 minutes.
Skirt, skirt.
Skirt, skirt. So we just tracked him, man. He's at his house, so we're just gonna pull up to his house and I guess just walk in and be like, what's up? We're here. Now you gotta entertain us. So I'm excited.
Good stuff.
And, yeah, who knows what we're
Welcome
gonna do
to our
today.
adventure in Augusta.
Yes, welcome. We just got to his house, so let's go.
Hello.
What's up?
What?
What's up?
What?
What's up?
What? What's up?
I made it. So we're heading to it's like
That place.
what's it called?
MMA Fight.
An MMA fight. Carson's friend
David Diaz.
David Diaz is fighting. So we're coming to watch him.
You go through here?
What? I've never seen this before.
Dude, they're going through it right now.
Hands up! Sir, yes, sir.
So David's about to fight.
Okay, guys, round the quarters out. Quarters out. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
So right after the fights, we went right back home and we got ready to go to Augusta Aviation where we'll be flying for the day. What's up? So we just made it to Augusta Aviation and we are about to go fly in a plane. Apparently I'm about to be driving the plane, so I've never flown a plane before, but so we're gonna be driving with Dustin today. Apparently he's really cool, so that's why we came on a Tuesday, because he was working.
Stuff the weather.
I know. So he said that we have to go out pretty fast because there's some weather coming in, so let's hope the weather doesn't come in while we're up there. We're gonna be up there and then the storm's just gonna be like, oh, I'm here. I'm in full control. I'm so excited. At this point, the pilot let me have full control of the plane and I was driving it, and it was so weird because I had no idea what I was doing, being my first time ever flying a plane. He was obviously assisting, but very scary. Oh, so tight in there.
How was it?
That was amazing. Oh my god.
What was the best part and the scariest part?
I think the best part was like going down.
When your stomach drops?
Yeah, when your stomach drops.
Yeah,
But no, my favorite part was like taking off and like you're just driving like a normal car, and then next thing you know, it just like lifts up and then.
Is it insane?
Yeah.
Take off? Oh.
You and your plane.
Me and my baby. That was so cool to also see the Savannah River and the Masters.
That was awesome.
Alright, Dustin. Yeah, good to see you, man.
Thanks for taking us. That was a lot of fun.
you.
Yeah, man.
If I ever come back in town, we'll definitely be back.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes. Thank you. Carson, that was so cool.
Wasn't he the best?